video here. I just wanted to show you this new book out by Jeanne Oliver, and I had the opportunity to go and take a one-day workshop with her in Franklin, Tennessee, and was able to get my hands on this book. I'm going to tell you, it is so well written, such a beautiful story that she shares. If you ever get the opportunity to take a class from her, I've taken several online, but if you ever get an opportunity to take one of hers in person, absolutely jump on that, okay? So I'm not going to go through each and every project in here, but I am going to do a quick flip through just to show you that this is a beautifully laid out magazine, okay? And it has great practices, suggestions, encouragement to find your own story and kind of share that in your art journal or in your paintings. So, no further ado, as you see, it has 24 projects, and it goes through and talks about tools and some of the okay, so I can't talk today apparently, but some of the recommendations as far as tools is concerned, basic supplies. It goes through, this is the actual journal that we made in the workshop. She does have a free video, I believe, that talks about and walks you through the process of making this very beautiful. I see I have a glare on it from my light. Now it's dark. Okay. We'll just stick with the glare. But she does show you how to make that journal. She just walks you through gathering, using interesting parts of your life, different ways for you to be able to take portable studio, so have things with you. She encourages you to step away from your cell phone and to actually be engrossed and pay attention and live in the moment. So she talks about using a sketchbook and different portable supplies that you can take with you. She has some really beautiful photography in here that just captures the essence of all of these beautiful vintage tins and so forth. She uses a ledger, vintage ledger in here, and just very well instructed. So if you really want something that gives you the steps, this absolutely does that. She talks a lot about symbolism and how using different parts of things that you grew up or that you can reflect back on your past and using them in your art. Being very authentic. She gives you great mark making, image transfers, rush transfers, creating a timeline of your own story and images from your past or present, and just gathering a poem, so using found poetry in here. Just very, I will tell you, I have a lot of books, and I have several that I do reference, but I feel like this one I'm going to be brought back to over and over again. It's just such a beautiful layout. DNA, she goes through and does, as you see, multiple steps in a page, from image transfers to using graphite paper to transfer images, how to hide and keep secret messages in your journal. Just very beautiful. I highly recommend it. I know it was on pre-sale or pre-order before we went, and this is, I'm filming this on July the 5th, and I believe yesterday is when it's launched officially for everyone else that didn't get to go to the workshop or get to go to the book signing. Yes, she did sign my book right there. Here you can see, just very just a great spirited person that I will be going to other workshops with her. But I just wanted to show you a quick flip through of a great book that you may want to add to your arsenal of resources and reference guides and things to help you kind of get out of your comfort zone. We did a lino cut in our workshop. And I don't have mine right here with you, but I'm sure if you follow me on Instagram, you've seen the lino cut that I did, and it was pretty cool. I enjoyed it very much. So run out, go grab Jeanne's book. I love how she uses wire. Just really good book. So go out, grab her book. Make sure you check out her website at JeanneOliver.com. She has several different free workshops as well as paid workshops that is every bit worth the money that you pay for them. So I hope you enjoyed this quick video. I hope this gives you an idea. I will link this down below so you can grab it at Amazon, and just, you know, go check her out on Instagram. But she's a great lady, and I hope that you will take a look at this book. Until next time, toodaloo.